Alright, so here we have Gordon Mancuso. He is a medical physicist and a software developer. And this is his website he created using HTML and CSS skills he learned in one of his engineering classes. And at the bottom, you can see he has a question: who is Gordon Mancuso? And as I stated before, he is a medical physicist and a software developer. And he provides 3 other tabs we can click on. So let's go to About Me. And here he provides a brief history of when he took his first physics class in 11th grade and how he liked it very much and decided to pursue a master's in medical physics at LSU, after which he completed a 2-year residency in Lafayette, Louisiana. And currently he's pursuing a bachelor's in software engineering. So if we click on his resume, we can see he has all of his experience right here, his education, what degrees he has earned, his GPA, and his certification. And if we click on all of these, we can see they all go to their appropriate websites. As long as it doesn't say error, there's nothing wrong with it. So all these seem to work, which is a very good thing. He also provides other links, and here is his My Blog, where he critiques movie trailers such as Star Wars: The Force Awakens and Wreck-It Ralph. And we can see his LinkedIn right here. There we go, Gordon Mancuso and his experience. And if we go to school, you can see his first thesis at BYU in lithium aluminate. And if we click his thesis, it'll take us right here to this PDF we can click on. And there we go. Very nice. And if we go back, we can see his second thesis at LSU. Click on that one. We can see it right here. And we go back again, we can see a paper that was published by the American Association of Physicists in Medicine. And he also created a mortgage calculator using JavaScript for one of his web engineering classes. And obviously we can see that it works. Let's put in 20 and $1,000, why not? And just calculate. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. And if we go to work, we can see his residency in LINAC commissioning project. We can click there. And there we go, his commissioning and beam data collection. Go back, we can see his print PDF scripts, and he provides these scripts right here. We can just download them, and they'll show up right here. And we can see his webinar he created. And we can click on that. Radiation Oncology Educational Resources. And at the very bottom, we have, again, who is Gordon Mancuso. Now, my only gripe with this website of his is the fact that this shows up in every single tab. I don't know why he made it that way. I think it's unnecessary because he obviously talks about himself right here in his brief history. I don't know why he has to use this in every other tab, but besides that, he has a very nice website, and I would certainly use this as an example to create my own ePortfolio.